Yo, what's up guys? It looks like we're doing two videos today because not only did we see iOS 13.5.1 this morning, we are also now seeing iOS 13.5.5 Developer Beta 1. So let's check out what's new in this beta version and see if it's worth updating for anyone who wants to stay on these developer betas. Okay, so let's check out some of the finer details about the update in the About screen, and our build number is 17G503D. D at the end does mean that this is a less stable update, but it should be good enough for you guys to install on your device and not have too many problems. The total update size for me was 4.17 gigabytes on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the modem firmware has stayed the same at 1.06.00. Okay guys, so those were the finer details of this iOS 13.5.5 Developer Beta 1 update, and unfortunately, I have not found any new features or changes in this update. But if you guys have any that you have found, please leave those in the comment section down below. To me at least, it just looks like nothing has changed in this update. We can, however, talk about the performance side of things because that was a pretty big deal with iOS 13.5 performance being so great. And in this update, it's actually looking like performance has increased slightly with this update, but it's not by much. Keep in mind that iOS 13.5 had the best performance we've seen so far in the lifecycle of iOS 13, so having slightly better performance within this update is even better. Now, one thing that I will say is that the performance does seem to be slightly better than the rest of our devices on the iPhone SE specifically, and I've noticed that heat management over the past few updates has gotten consistently better. So it's looking like that iOS 13 and A13 Bionic chip pairing in the iPhone SE is getting better and better with each update here. Okay, so that was the performance side of things, and just like the performance, battery life has not really changed too much in this beta update. All of the phones that we've tested iOS 13.5.5 on so far have had the exact same battery test scores or just a few points higher or lower than iOS 13.5. So with that being said, do expect really good battery life with this update because it was already good before in iOS 13.5. Okay guys, so that was the first beta release of iOS 13.5.5. Sorry, there wasn't really too much to talk about, but if you have any questions or comments about this update, please leave those down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. If you want to get the update for yourself, check the software update page after installing or reinstalling the iOS 13 developer beta profile. And if you guys are excited to see iOS 14 updates in the near future, don't forget to get subscribed and hit that notification bell icon so you can get updates on when that content is released. Also, check out channel memberships. Those are now live and have a lot of awesome perks for you guys. More information on that can be found by clicking the join button down below or checking out the link in the video description. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching today's update, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in some future content. Until then, I hope you all have an awesome day.